All right, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I am gonna try to burn some sticks, just like you've seen in the thumbnail. Now I've already cleaned up some of my sticks, and I'm only really doing this just to see what happens. I don't think anybody's really gonna burn sticks unless you have a way to cut them up into little tiny chunks like this. I have a lot more cutting to do. These are all pretty much hardwood, and I just want to see what happens. And it's my Harman pellet stove, so I don't really think it's gonna ruin it. You just got it. I'm gonna let these still dry out. A few more days. They're getting pretty dry now. They've been sitting around for about a month. So let me get these cut up, and we're gonna dump them in my pellet stove and see how they burn and see how bad the ash is from them. I definitely don't have 40 pounds, but I think it would have took me forever to get 40 pounds worth of sticks. All right, I got most of it cut up with the help of my two boys, except for these couple pieces. Just joking. This is about what I got. I really wanted to get 40 pounds, but like I said earlier, it was going to take me forever. But I got them cut up. Little pieces like that. So I'm going to dump these in the hopper and turn it on and see what happens. Now, like I said, you probably never want to ever do this. I just want to see what happens. And if your kids do something bad at home and this does work, you could give your kids a couple little clippers and go cut up all the sticks out back. Be a good punishment. Here goes nothing. After this, you're going to want to save all your sticks all summer long and have your kids cut them up. This might give you all about 2 hours of heating time during the winter. Hope I get a lot of views on this video, because this must have took me, I don't know, at least a month to collect the sticks, cut the sticks up, let the sticks dry. I didn't want to put them all in there real wet. Check out all my other videos on this Harman pellet stove I think I have 13 other videos. So hit that subscribe button to help support my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. And no stupid comments. My wife already thinks I'm a little crazy. It's starting to light up. And we got ignition. They look like they burn just as good as pellets. All right, we got heat coming out. All right, I'm not going to let you sit here and watch the fire the entire time. I'm going to let this burn, and I'll come back at the end and see how bad the ashes look. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. I wish I would have cleaned off my glass, though. I forgot the glass was messed. You can't see that when it's like a mirror. And so far, that looks like that burns just as good as pellets almost. Probably ain't gonna last very long. Well, there you have it. I guess you can burn sticks in your pellet stove, at least in your Harman pellet stove. So every time your kids are bad, make them go out in the yard, pick up some sticks, and cut them up into like at least 1/8 inch pieces. Let them dry out. I burnt that little tub for about an hour. I don't know if I recommend really doing that, but it works. Please watch all my other videos. Like I said, I think I have like 13 other videos on this Harman pellet stove. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. God bless and have a great day.